Jalup jatend jotije sirikal Eliud Owalo ogolo siem ne josiasa matemo deko chopo kare chenro mag piny owacho mamalo. Owalo oloso bang' limo chenro mag dongruok mag piny owacho mantiere kaunti ma Migori, kamoko ni josiasa moko keko mar thiro kata rocho tije piny owacho kaka yo mar manyo rak kod sirikal. Bende osiemo jogo momiyo rak mag piny owacho makawo thuolo malach kapok otieko. Owalo koni onge kaka ng'at achiel nyalo yudo rak ariyo mag piny owacho ka ji mamoko ni nono ahinya to kapok gitieko magin godo.
Politicians must keep out of implementation of government projects. Don't meddle in implementation of government projects. We are witnessing a situation where politicians are interfering with implementation of projects, where a contractor is behind schedule. The politicians think they can come in and start negotiating implementation timelines with certain implementing agencies. It's not going to happen in equal measure. We are urging all government implementing agencies not to act at the whims of politicians. All projects must be completed within the stipulated timelines, irrespective of who the contractor is. And if there is any undue political influence at any level within any sector of government or implementing agencies, please, that is why this unit exists within the Executive Office of the President. We will give you the necessary protection as is required based on instructions we have received from the President.